This is Gerbera. So we purchased when it is a small plants. And this is a plant, it is very old plant, nobody has this. Can you smell it?
Strong smell.
Yeah, spicy smell. Nobody keep this one. I regularly goes to a nursery. So that old man gifted me. Hey, I give you something special. So this is rosemary, and that one is what we call mint. I don't know the name of these flowers. This is tomato. Is come the house waste, I put the waste here for fertilizer, and it came up. Yeah, and this is old hydrangea. That means its flower whole summer as it changed the colors to 3-4 colors. Finally it come to green color. This one, the flowers are very beautiful. It is known as summer crush. So
Look at its center.
yeah, lot.
Also, there is a flower and then a smaller flower, and
Yeah,
then
yeah, and it comes in a big bunches, but it's not the
all of these are hydrangea.
yeah,
Like
all are
varieties.
different. These are one variety. It starts like this, then come like this, then going to die here. It will dry on the plant. It will not fall down. And this is goji flower. Goji fruit, not flower. So they said in India, olden time, the sannyasi log isse khate de, or but there is no taste. But in America, it is a big trend now. When somebody give a bouquet to Rosalie, I took a bud out of that and I grafted there. So it is growing up now.
Wow.
So it's a red in color, but a much bigger flower. It was a creeping rose. I tried to make some bonsai, but it's not actually coming up well. Oh, this is my hanging basket. Every year I got 6 very good baskets, maybe 4 or 5 feet long. But this year nothing will happen. It's all went wrong. But this is surviving. This is strawberry hydrangea. Is in the later it come like a strawberry. Every year I keep, this is an old wine jar and a barrel, and I keep different plants every year. Hibiscus I used to keep. This year I changed my mind and I kept it. This doesn't work well. This is, I don't know what is the name for this plant.
What is the purpose of the mulch?
Oh, that to keep the moisture. Yeah, actually we don't want, the plants don't want much water. It needs moisture only. So what happens in India, we are not doing that. So the plants are not growing because they don't have humidity. So I am not putting water once in 2 days or 3 days I put the water. So they are very happy. When you dig out this, they should put some sort of tray on the bottom of the tray, so the all water and fertilizer will not flow down. They did not do that to save some money, and we are suffering now. This is an Indian plant. I don't know, this is highly poisonous, but it has good fragrance and smell. If we eat the flower or this thing, it will make you stomach upset, pukes and everything. Every year it comes very well. The thing is, when the flowers aged, we have to remove that. Otherwise, it develops seeds in it. The total energy of the plant goes to the seeds, not to the new flowering.
Okay. Old ones.
Yeah, so we have to remove. This is a Indian chili, very small, damn spicy. and it's good for heart disease and everything. That's what they say. And a kilo of this chili costing $1,000 in India. And this is a crossbreed of flat bean. The Indian papudi and the American beans together made this thing. So the bean is not flat, it is round and a longer one, tastier too. But this is Surti papudi we call, the flat bean of Surat. The plant is very small and very small beans, but it is very tasty. This is cherry tomato.
Oh, tomato, so many.
Yeah, we plucked. This year it is not growing well. Inside there is big
This
ones.
is what variety?
This is early girl.
And chilies also.
This chilies is a Thailand variety, they said, but it is not Thailand variety. But it has very good taste, not very chilly. I like it.
The Thai ones are thin, right?
Yeah, thin. They said it is Taiwanese, but no, this is not Taiwanese, but it is tasty. This is Indian brinjal. Yesterday we make curry.
No, from the
Yeah, see. This is okra from Mexico. It's a very big okra comes, and this is from Sri Lanka. That red thing, what we call okra. We call this is our traditional cucumber. See, see.
this spiky.
Yeah. Even then, I like that because only minus point is that when we started the fruiting, every day you can come and pluck. And bad thing is, you should not to put the water on the plant. If you put the water on the plant has some sort of fungus effect.
There are so many leaves.
Yeah. And this is our Concord grape.
Oh, grapes. There are so many grapes.
Yeah, 20 pounds I get.
Oh, wow.
So what I do is I cover this with a net when it is ripe,
Oh.
and this I give for the birds. See, that started this thing ripening.
So these ones are sweet?
Yeah, not even sweet. It has to be black in color, then only it is tasty. And the system is that, when the snow falls, when the freeze, these leaves will fall down, the fruits will remain there. On that time, you have to cut it off, crush, make wine. That wine is the desert wine.
Okay.
It's very costly too. Don't know what is the name for yellow in color. This very big fruit. No, cherry.
Yellow cherry.
Yeah, yellow in color.
It comes in spring. Like
There is a name, I forgot it. This is tartar cherry, which were good for baking.
Yeah,
this
the red one.
Yeah, and this is peach. So the insects put eggs in it, and it will get spoiled. So this year I covered some of them, so that one for me and one for you.
You did some grafting?
Yeah, that is failed. It should be.
Yeah, you see all of it is
Yeah.
issues.
It should be done in timely, but I did not do that.
You will cut it off.
Yeah, we have to trim. So there is two varieties. This one is a Japanese variety, Fiji. The other one, some American variety. So this is pear. It's very tasty when it is ripe. You can pluck and taste. No, but you can pluck and bigger one you can take. See, here there is big ones. Karela.
Oh.
You,
So
what
they
is-
need to. Acha, you made
Yeah,
this so
yeah.
that you can-
bitter gourd. And this is again an Indian brinjal,
Hmm. This one?
sweet pepper,
Oh.
and this is the same pepper. That was his American flat bean, and there is the Chinese, Japanese brinjal, and that is the French beans, and this is American brinjal, eggplant. What they say?
With the capsicums.
This is
Oh,
capsicums.
इसका भरवा कैप्सिकम बना इस साइज का.
Mhm.
ये देखो बड़ा ब्रिंजल.
Oh हाँ.
Then there is ash melon. This is snake gourd. Snake gourd is started developing now. See,
He tied. See,
see.
he tied with the
Otherwise, it will curl around.
whatever